pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play New Rules by Lipa on ukulele. This song is so easy to play because there's only 3 chords and none of them are bar chords. I'm also going to go through a couple different strumming patterns so you can find which one fits your style best. Let's go ahead and get right into the chords. The first chord is going to be A minor. The next chord is going to be F. Then the last chord is going to be a G major. Now that we know the chords, we can go into progressions and strumming patterns. The progression for the verses is just going to be A minor and F. The first strumming pattern that I recommend is single down strums, so I'm going to count that out with the beats so you can see how long to stay on each chord for, using 2 single down strums on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're using single down strums, you would just repeat that for the verses. So this is how it would sound with the lyrics. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy, out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, my life. He makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. I think you can see how simple that is with the A minor and the F. You just keep repeating it. So I'm gonna give another strumming pattern that picks up the song a bit more. It's gonna be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And you're gonna do that 2 times on each chord. So on the A minor, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up to the F. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Here's how it would sound with the lyrics. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy, out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, my life. He makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. Then going into the pre-chorus, the progression is going to be a little bit different because you're going to do A minor, F, G. How this strumming pattern will work with this is that on the A minor chord, you're still going to do down, down, up, down, 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 up. When you go to your F chord, you're just going to do down, 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 up. Go to your G chord and do down, 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 up. So all together, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And now with the lyrics. 1, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. On that last G chord, you're just gonna strum it once before you go into the chorus. The chorus is the same progression and strumming pattern as the pre-chorus, so that makes it a lot easier for you guys. However, before I go into the chorus, I do a little muted down, down, up before I hit that A minor chord. Going from the end of the pre-chorus into the chorus, this is how it would sound. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got new rules, I count 'em. I got new rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. I got new rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell them to myself. Then you'll go into verse 2, which is the same thing that you did for verse 1. I keep pushing forward, but he keeps on pulling backwards. nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. Now I'm standing back from it, I finally see the pattern. I never learn, I never learn my life. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I tell myself. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him. And then you'll go into the pre-chorus and do the exact same thing that you did before. And then of course the chorus is going to be the same thing as well. So we've already gone over all that. The next thing that we need to talk about is the bridge. The progression for the bridge is just A minor, F, G. The strumming pattern that I'm going to use is one single down strum on each chord. So going through that with the lyrics. Practice makes perfect, I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep, and breathe it, rehearse and repeat it, cause Then you'll go back into the chorus, and you can use single down strums for the chorus after the bridge, or you can go back into the down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. The outro is going to be the same progression as the chorus, so you'll just carry that on to end the song. It'll sound something like this. Don't let him in, don't let him in, don't be his friend, don't be his friend, don't let him in, don't let him in, don't. And that is everything that you need to know to play this song. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.